Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm very excited, guys, to actually have filmed this video for you guys. We are actually doing the first impressions of Stephanie Lange in collaboration with Sigma. Her palette's called the Essentials palette. I am really happy with this palette here, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts are on this palette from Stephanie Lange collaboration with Sigma, please keep on watching. Sigma the Essentials palette in collaboration with Stephanie Lange. Create captivating looks wherever you go with this neutral to glam palette, featuring a mirror, 9 batteries of eyeshadows in matte and shimmer finishes, 2 light to dark contour shades, and a lustrous highlighter. Each exquisite shade was hand selected by beloved beauty influencer Stephanie Lange. Guys, so you've actually seen the actual swatches, guys. They're actually very buttery and very smooth when I've actually swatched them on my hand. The lighter shades are probably not showing up much pigment on the camera, but they're actually very pigmented in person, guys. The packaging is actually a very nice packaging, guys. It's actually a very it's a very good quality packaging, and I actually really like the design, you know, all the stars. It's like all my wishes come true. Inside of the actual palette, it's also got all the names of the shades under each pan. The back, it's actually got a 12 months to use from the day that you started using this palette, and also on the back it also got all your all the color shades and also the actual name of the shades. She also have her card here too, which is her message on the bottom. The face contour, which is the lighter contour shade, and I'll be using that as my transition shade, and using the brush Sigma tapered blending brush, the E40. So I'm just tapping the excess, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Nutmeg. This shade here, guys, a little bit powdery, guys. It is still pigmented, guys, and it's actually buttery every time I dip in my brush. I'm just trying to use as much colors as I can, guys, so just bear with me. Just switch over to the brush Diffuse Crease E38, and I'll be taking the shade Sunset. This shade here, guys, Sunset. Okay, I'm actually putting that above my crease, and I'm going to a smaller brush, which is the Detailed Diffuse Crease E33. Okay, this is actually very pigmented shade, guys. With blending brush, the E45, the Storm shade, which is the the dark brown shade. This on my outer corner, just to give a little bit of definition. And apply the Bombshell shimmer shade. This one here, guys. Be applying this on the space here, guys. The Exact Blend E32, just like a flat brush, guys. Okay, might have to spray this with the Fix Plus just to give more pigment. We got a tiny bit of fallout. The lashes on now, guys. So E21, and I'm gonna be applying the Storm shade. Storm shade here, guys. I'll be applying this on my lower lashes. I'm gonna go into that velvet shade. This velvet shade here, guys. And I'm just gonna be applying this just below that Storm shade. I'm just gonna go into this shade here called Metal, and just gonna see if I can actually apply this on my inner corner, like on this lower, on this side of my lower lashes, just to give a little bit of pop. This star shade here, guys. I'm gonna go and apply this also on inner corner, and this a little bit on my brow bone. Just a tiny bit. A bit of face, I'm gonna go in with a golden. It's a golden shade here, guys. So I'm gonna be using this to brown my face. It's actually a really nice shade, guys. You actually don't need a blush, really. You can use this as your blush as well. I'm just taking in the all over blend, the E37. I'm just gonna contour my nose a little bit using that same shade. Highlight, I'll be using the tapered highlight brush, the F35. So I'm taking in that star shade. Gosh, look at that, so pigmented. Gosh, look, it's very nice. When I'm actually applying these shades on my eyes, guys, they're actually very easy to blend, especially when they're combining all these different colors on my eyes. And also the shades are actually creamy, buildable. These are a little bit powdery, guys, so making sure that you tap any excess. The face shades on my face, the contour shade and the highlighter shades are actually blends really well. You can actually either to leave the bronzer as it is if you wish, and just add a little bit of highlighter, and then you're actually set to go. But with me, my personal preferences, I always wanted to apply just a little bit of blush on top of the bronzer and also with the highlighter, and that actually finished my my makeup look. This is the final look, guys, and I actually must say that I am very impressed with this palette here, guys. Well done, Sigma and Stephanie Lange. I'm actually very happy with this palette, guys. Please comment down below, guys, if you used this palette before, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.